can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. Altcoins are having a bounce on a daily time frame. The last 1 month has seen a pullback. Questions are being asked. Is the cycle over? Bitcoin, the king of the market, still trades above $110,000. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market is improving. The bulls and the bears can't decide. Are we heading to the moon? Are we dumping to gobbling town? Which has sent sentiment to neutral territory, but right now greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We expect more greed to return, eventually extreme greed to return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance is still on that decline. Bitcoin dominance sits at 58%. I'll be expecting more decline in Bitcoin dominance. How will that affect the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, with king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, falling to as low as $4,200. A lot of market participants are getting scared. A lot of tensions are rising in the cryptocurrency market. Are we going to see altcoin season? Is the cycle over? Altcoin season index tells us right now it's not an altcoin season, even though an altcoin season is just around the corner. We look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Are market participants bullish as they're expecting a dump to goblin town, or are we going to pump to the moon? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start on a yearly time frame. Over the last 1 year, we've seen so many ups and downs in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has set multiple all-time highs. Ethereum has set all-time highs. The altcoin market have pumped. We have seen meme coins going parabolic all in the last 1 year. XRP is up 400%. We have XPX 6900 up over 11,000%. Bitcoin, with all the hype, with all the news, is just up 87% for the last 1 year. Ethereum is up 70%. But then, why is there fear in the cryptocurrency market? Why was sentiment deteriorating over the last 1 week? Why are market participants asking, is the cycle over? Is there no alt season? Guys, it all ties back to Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin rallying to as high as $124,000. Huge price expectations on Bitcoin. Market participants started calling for 150K, 200K Bitcoin. I've seen somebody call for a $1 million Bitcoin in this cycle, but that's what you expect, guys, when we're getting to the end of a market cycle. And when market participants start asking themselves, is the cycle over? Then you know there's trouble in paradise. We saw the same situation happen in 2021. By the time market participants start asking themselves, was the cycle over? Are we down in Goblin Town? The cycle was already over. We already began our dump to Goblin Town, but one final move of the cycle is altcoins going parabolic. But a lot of market participants are now scared because in 2021, the second cycle top didn't see altcoins going parabolic. We saw Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs in October of 2021, and by November of 2021, when Bitcoin got to $69,000, there was still talks of Bitcoin getting to $100,000 in 2021. That didn't materialize. We eventually went on a big bear market where we saw Bitcoin losing 50% of its value in the next 75 days. And if you zoom out, you saw that Bitcoin dumped by over 75% through the course of that bear market. But I don't think this bull market is over just yet. I believe a lot of market participants are used to Bitcoin rallying up aggressively, that just a pullback, just a little pullback from $124,000 to as low as $107,000 have sent pandemonium going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is just down 13%. A 13% pump is just a random day in the cryptocurrency market. The last decline we saw in Bitcoin from January 2025 to where it bottomed in April of 2025 was a 31% decline. That's crazy to see. We already saw a 31% decline in 2025, but a 16% decline is sending fear through the cryptocurrency market. The market participants start asking, is the cycle over? And we have to look at Bitcoin dominance because those questions are legit, those concerns are valid. If Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, historically, that has been near the end of a market cycle. We saw a little taste of that in December of 2024. We saw Bitcoin dominance dumping. We saw altcoins having a nice time, and that was a mini cycle top. Altcoins tops in December of 2024. Bitcoin continued chugging up to higher prices, but the new development is that Bitcoin dominance has been dumping since June of 2025, and the lower Bitcoin dominance go, the more the cycle is coming to an end, because Bitcoin dominance dumping, guys, is market participants expressing their opinion that right now altcoins are taking over. Right now Bitcoin is not the main driver of the market, and you see that since June of 2025 Bitcoin has continued on its own journey. Bitcoin even went to new all-time highs. We saw Bitcoin rallying to as high as $123,000, eventually topping around $124,000. But then something just feels off. Are we going to see $150,000 Bitcoin? I highly doubt that. Bitcoin has been dumping right now for over 20 days. Over the coming days and the coming weeks, if Bitcoin fails to set new all-time highs and we see the total crypto market setting new all-time highs, guys, that will be a telltale sign to run for the hills. Let's look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Are market participants hyper bullish, or they are expecting a dump to Goblin Town? News stories saying market participants are still bullish. We're still hearing about so many digital asset treasury companies. The Crypto.com CEO bets on Fed rate cuts to fuel crypto markets in Q4. That's another narrative around the cryptocurrency market, that the Fed will cut rate, we're going to start pumping to the moon. Something just feels off. I believe it might be a buy the rumor, sell the news situation. Yield chasing ETH treasury frames at much risk. That's what Sharplink Gaming CEO has to say. Coincidentally, Sharplink is also accumulating a lot of Bitcoin. Crypto expected to handle a tenth of post-trade market by 2030. That's what a Citi survey says. Coinbase mixes crypto and tech stocks in upcoming future index. Ethereum holds $4,300 as corporate Ethereum treasury growth. dApps activities provide hope. Guys, Ethereum currently trades around $4,300. We have seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,900. And since Ethereum broke to new all-time highs, that decline for Ethereum has only been a 14% decline. One thing I realized in the cryptocurrency market is that the higher we go, the more market participants become scared. The higher we go, the more any correction will send pandemonium around the cryptocurrency market. In this same market cycle, we have seen Ethereum dump by more than 65% in just 123 days. And even before we started this huge rally over the last 6 weeks, we still saw Ethereum dumping by 28% in 13 days. So if Ethereum is dumping just 14% in 20+ % days, if Ethereum is dumping, guys, just around 14% in more than 10 days, I don't think that should send fear around the cryptocurrency market. I think we should be more optimistic. We should be expecting higher prices. Again, the higher we go, the dangerous it becomes. The higher you go, the more you will see those talks about the cycle is over. Is this time different? I believe we'll see Ethereum trading around $5,000, but that's where my beliefs stop. I'm not one of those market participants that think we're seeing $7,000, $8,000, $12,000 Ethereum before the end of this market cycle. I believe we can easily get to $5,000. $5,000 Ethereum is just around a 20+% pump from where we're currently trading. But that's where I see a lot of market participants going all in, expecting the pump to continue, expecting all coins to continue outperforming Bitcoin. Historically, that has proven to be the end of a market cycle. And if you look at Ethereum's performance against Bitcoin, it has been doing very poorly against Bitcoin throughout this market cycle. We have seen Ethereum dumping aggressively against Bitcoin. We have seen Ethereum being the joke of the town. But since April of 2025, the last leg of this rally, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum is up more than 122% in the last 134 days. And at some point in time, we saw Ethereum up 146% against Bitcoin. I believe Ethereum still has some room to run against Bitcoin. I believe we might be seeing Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin getting to the 0.05 ratio level for Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin to get there. We need to see Ethereum pumping against Bitcoin by more than 28%. That can happen very, very quickly. But if that's happening, expect to see a dump in Bitcoin dominance and expect to see an increase in Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at total crypto market cap, which is at the $3.77 trillion level, we have seen the total crypto market cap get to as high as $4.17 trillion. That was the day Bitcoin got to all-time highs. That was the day we saw total crypto market cap also getting to new all-time highs. One of the exit signals to watch out for, guys, will be total crypto market cap setting another new all-time highs as going above the $4.19 trillion level. Ethereum probably setting a new all-time highs. And if you don't see Bitcoin setting a new all-time highs with total crypto market cap and Ethereum, that will be a sign to run for the hills. That will be a telltale sign that the cycle is over. We're seeing some early signs of the cycle coming to an end. The altcoin season index is not yet in altcoin season, but historically, when we get to altcoin season, it's too late. When we get to altcoin season, altcoins would have already pumped, and by then, market participants will be singing Kumbaya, thinking we'll continue going to the moon. We saw a mini alt season in December of 2024. That proved to be the end. We saw a mini alt season in January of 2024. That also proved to be an end. And we saw an alt season in September of 2022. I believe we'll see an alt season in 2025. This time is not different. With sentiments in the cryptocurrency market improving, with altcoins having a nice time and Bitcoin dominance dumping, guys, I won't be shocked if we go parabolic over the next few days and the next few weeks. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. In the last 24 hours, more than 106,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $242 million. Singularized liquidation happened on Ethereum. One trader lost $1.7 million trading Ethereum. Be careful out there, guys. You want to lose your hard-earned money before the party starts. In the meme coin market, Dogecoin is still the king of meme coin in the cryptocurrency market. Pepe and Shiba Inu might be making a move in the coming days and the coming weeks. I have a strong feeling Ethereum meme coins are going to have a very, very nice time. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Bitcoin is still the king of the market, trading above $110,000 with a market cap of over $2 trillion. Expect to see altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin aggressively over the next 7 days. In the last 30 days, Ethereum is up 22%. Bitcoin has lost 2.98% of its value. So you can see the shift there. A lot of whales are already flipping their Bitcoin gains into Ethereum. Historically, that's one of the telltale signs that we're getting close to alt season. Whales start flipping their Bitcoin gains into Ethereum. You now start seeing Ethereum whales flipping the Ethereum gains into the altcoin market, and altcoins will start going parabolic. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are we going to set new all-time highs on total crypto market cap? Do you believe Bitcoin cycle top is in? Is the cycle over? Are altcoins going to go parabolic? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.